Hi, this is Cotey from the Oxford Rug Hooking School. Today we're going to demo a couple of techniques for using novelty yarns in the Oxford punch needle. For a complete overview of yarns and fibers that will work with the Oxford punch needle, click the link above to watch Amy's great video about that. Sometimes in a project you want to add something with more excitement than you can get with wool yarn. That's where novelty yarn comes in. In my Oval Abstract Botanical project, I wanted some pops of sparkle in the berries. The ribbon I used was too thin to be used in my regular point needle, but by threading multiple strands into the punch needle at once, it punched beautifully. Now here Hannah will demonstrate with a sparkly blue synthetic thread. When threading with multiple strands, it helps to give them a little twist and fold to help feed them through the needle point. Then load them as you normally would, and you're ready to punch. To help keep the loops of the multiple strands the same length as you punch, use your opposite hand to add just a little bit of tension on the yarn at the back of the punch needle. By doing this, you can see that it creates some nice even loops. The second technique is something Heidi used to create little highlights of sparkle in her waves. This novelty fiber she chose is too slippery to be used in the Oxford punch needle by itself, even with multiple strands. But by using what she calls a carrier yarn along with the novelty fiber, you can punch as you normally would. In this case, she used a standard worsted weight yarn as the carrier in our fine point punch needle. Again, it does help to give the two little yarns a little twist and fold to get them through the eyelet and into your point. You should be able to punch as normal with the carrier yarn helping the slippery yarn along. You can also combine techniques and add multiple strands of slippery fibers with your carrier yarn if you need more sparkly spice. Heidi just wanted hints of sparkle in her finished piece, so a single strand got her the look she wanted. With these techniques, you can experiment with all kinds of fun novelty fibers to give your projects some depth and texture. Check out our Oxco Pals blog at amyoxford.com and follow along with all of our punch-alongs. Use hashtag OxcoPals and show us your work. We'd love to see it.